budding dentists in the country. I think they are providing very rigorous academic counseling to children and also training in terms of patients. I think it's a wonderful place for any dentist to grow and nurture. I was very happy. The session was very interactive.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, can you please share some motivational quotations or motivational words for our graduating dentists in the college?
100%. I think dentistry is one field which is academia and practicum in its comprehensiveness. So all the graduating students should feel very proud that they are students. Also look at innovative opportunities, innovative ways of using your skills and training into serving society. And I think I.T.S is a beautiful platform which trains you for a